Hello students, welcome to Diksha Karnataka. Today we are going to deal Kingdom Monera, in which the whole soul member bacteria is there. We will discuss this short topic in 10 minutes. Okay, to do a revision. Now, in Kingdom Monera, what type of organisms are involved? Organisms, bacteria. Organisms, bacteria. If we consider examples, it is having archibacteria, eubacteria. In archibacteria, it is a primitive bacteria. So, what kind of organisms are involved? Halophile, thermoacidophile, methanogens. Okay. Archibacteria means old primitive bacteria. And eubacteria means modern updated bacteria. Okay. Now, in means both the organisms are unicellular and prokaryotic. Unicellular and prokaryotic. Methanogens, thermoacidophiles, halophiles. Halophiles means salt loving, thermoacidophile means high temperature acidic loving. Okay. Now, both are unicellular prokaryotic. Both organisms are unicellular prokaryotic. Unicellular means single celled. Unicellular means single celled. And prokaryotic means the nucleus is not developed, cell organelles are not developed. Nucleus ill defined. Nucleus ill defined. Cell organelles are absent. Cell organelles are absent, even not bounded by cell membrane. Nucleus is not bounded by cell membrane. Cell organelles are not bounded by cell membrane. Okay. So all other organisms like mycoplasma, smallest bacteria. Mycoplasma is smallest bacteria. Okay. Then actinomyces. If we consider a bacterial cell, which is actually a unicellular prokaryotic, what kind of cell you imagine? Now, if you consider a cell has a cell envelope. Cell envelope means the outer covering, outer covering. How many layers are there in this cell envelope? In bacteria, we have three layers: outer glycocalyx, middle cell wall, inner cell membrane. Three layered. Glycocalyx, cell wall, cell membrane. Done? Then nucleus is ill defined, not bounded by nuclear membrane, so it is nucleoid. Nucleus is ill defined, not bounded by nuclear membrane, so not having a proper shape and structure. That's why it is called ill defined. Read by nuclear membrane. Okay, done. What else? Now, double stranded chromosomal structure present. Present. Okay. Now, uh, cell organelles. Cell organelles. What cell organelles? Uh, Ribosomes are present, not bounded by cell membrane. By done. Is it clear? Done. Now, what other structure are present in bacteria? Cilia, flagella, pili. Okay. Reproduction by conjugation, like this is nucleoid. Okay. And invaginations of cell membrane are mesosomes. Site of respiration, invaginations of cell membrane. Okay. Glycocalyx, cell wall, cell membrane. Okay. And this is cell membrane show invaginations. Done. Show invaginations. This is mesosome. Site of respiration. Done. This is all about your kingdom Monera bacteria. Okay. Now, last but not the least, economic importance. This topic should be taken. Economic importance. Now, bacteria are beneficial. Okay, like lactoacidobacillus bacteria, curd formation, and harmful. Disease causing also. Lots of diseases are caused by bacteria in animals as well as plants. Disease causing. Okay, thank you.